Have you been looking for a place where your horses, goats, or dogs can roam freely? Somewhere where wide open spaces, green pastures, and a hobby farm lifestyle are your everyday reality? Well, welcome home. Imagine stepping into your private equestrian retreat. Nestled on 5 acres of beautiful property, there's endless possibilities for horses or your hobbies. The barn offers private stalls and runs for space and comfort. And the cross-fenced pastures are just steps away for easy turnout on beautiful Colorado days. This property is designed for ease and efficiency, with a spacious barn, a versatile outbuilding for storage or shelter, and cross-fenced pastures perfect for rotation. The riding arena is ready for training, and private trails offer space to ride or explore. This property is just moments to National Forest for your outdoor adventures, or just 15 minutes to downtown Bailey for local restaurants, winery, brewery, and more hiking. It's hard to find a mountain property that checks all the boxes: usable land, pastures, a barn, and an updated home. Well, this is the hobby farm you've been waiting for. Reach out to me for more details. And remember, smiles are contagious.